have some Labby puppies, little babies. These are two. Let's see. This one is a little girl. That's a little girl. This is a girl too. This little one. Yay! Let me see. This one's got a little pink nose. And this is a girl too. And it's got little pink on her nose. How cute she is. And this is a fatty and kind of shy. And this is a girl too. So we got 4 girls here. 4 little girls. She's the fattest. Very cute little babies. Very cute, a little scared. But their mommies are here next door. These are cuties. Hi, hi, hi. And yeah, hi. Okay. Up for adoption. Very cute.